Hey y'all, what's up? I'm gonna go ahead and go over this Snap-on Catalog 1400. I believe this is the newest one. So, I'm gonna go through here. Here's a quick reference guide, tool storage, page 5 through 95. It's a crap ton. We're just gonna cover that today. We're gonna go through all the tool storage. Here's kind of how it works, or not how it works, but you get it. Tool storage. Alright, tool storage at a glance. Got the Master Series, Heritage Series, Classic, Epic Series. There's the Epic Series, Quick Reference. So you got the all right. There's your smaller boxes. There's the Epic Series roll cabs. This one has the power bank. That one's got the full length drawers, so does this one, but this one has a box and the power drawer. This one's got the power drawer vault. 84-inch Epic with powerhouse top. The KERN 843 CAPC. The 84-inch Epic with power top. The KERN 842 C4PC. 84-inch Epic with power top. The 84-inch Epic. 84-inch Epic with powerhouse top, and then just the standard 84-inch Epic, which I'm sure still has that power drawer. Epic Series roll cabs. Got the 68-inch Epics. Red one up here's got the power top. Green's got the green, or the little, just the standard series 60-inch Epic. The white one has the 68-inch Epic. I don't know if it has power or not. And then this one over here to the right has the power top. Epic Series roll cab, 68-inch Epic. And that one over there to the right. Top chests for the Epic Series. So we got the 602, 682. Then you got the 842 and then the 843. Then you got there's your work center, your hutch, your overhead cabinets, lockers. Master Series here, the KRL series. 1032F, KRL 1033D, the KRL 1023D, KTL 702, KRL 702, the KRL 116. The KRL 1022D, KRL 7022, KRL 722, KTL 1022, the KRL 1056, the KRL 756. Master Series roll cabs. You just got the KRL 1033D, KRL 1032. Got your different color options. And then you got your Master Series KRL 1023DPC, KTL 1023A, KRL 7023DPJJ, KRL 1163APJK. Here's your smaller roll cabs here. You got your 49-inch The depth is 26. This one's got the single drawers, these two do, and then the KTL has the 3 full-length drawers. Here you go. You got anywhere from the 30-inch box to the 49. The KRL with the 2 full-length drawers, and then you got the KRL 756 CPC over here, the shorter version with all wide drawers. Same over there, but in orange. You got the Master Series top chests. The KRL 1232 PCM. The KRL 1230 B0 or O. So this one's the, let me look here. You got just your different size for your KRL. Then your KRL 1232, KRL 1203, KRL 1201, and your KRL 1251. You got one for the 30-inch and the 35-inch. You got your 53, 54, and 30, and your 72 top, and your 49. Alright, you got your KRL 7910, or 791A, my bad, 54-inch top chest. Then your KRL 751, which is the 35 and 5/8. Your work center, your hutch for the KRL 1072 series, or all of them really. Yeah, all these go for all of them, but just different sizes. Your overhead cabinets that go over your top box or over your hutch for the KRL 725, KRL 544, and your KRWL 543. Power in or drawer end cabinets. Master Series drawer end cabinets. Your bulk end cabinets. Your different colors. The specs. Master Series lockers. Master Series tool. Utility vehicles. These are good for like the dirt tracks. I have a buddy with one. These things are nice. So you got the 67 with a 19-inch locker, 21-inch shelf. Altogether it's, let me see here, because you just got them too, so. Yeah, it's huge. I'd have to look at, do all the math, but there's your tool utility vehicles. These other ones down here, got one kind of like the olive green, the military green, and then your lime green, or whatever you want to call it. You've got this one with, well, these two have the hutch, and these have the top chest, and then this one over here has the hutch with 2 end cabinets like usual. This one has the hutch, the white one does. The green one is 2 end cabinets, bottom box and top box. And you've got this series here, the Master Series of it. Alright, Classic Series, KRA, and then your ICP. You want to take a minute to look at that. Classic Series, sizes, and this is kind of like your majority of them. Here's your top chest for them. Sorry guys, I can't really go in depth. Kind of got to speed through this. Lockers and cabinets, and your workstation risers, your hutch. Heritage Series, got all them. I don't like the one on the far left because it only has one full-length drawer. It's my only issue. I mean, the rest are still the same, but they're still kind of wide besides that one on the right. These are just standard roll cabs, the 30-inch ones. Your top chests. Your lockers and cabinets. Mobile storage. There's the Epic Series workstation. Your Epic Series, Epic roll cart. Then you got your mobile series roll carts, the KRS-C series. You got the ones with a slide top, the KRS-C 430PJJ1. That's just the color, but your standard box over here to the left. You got your flip open roll cart with the lid, this compact roll cart, and then you got your 6-door sliding lid roll cart. Here's your standard up here. You got your welding workstation roll cart. I believe that is the one Justin Dow has. And your polymer roll cart. These are for like the mobile and heavy equipment service trucks. You got the Mobile Solutions road chests. You got the one with the lid that covers it all, and then you just got the same one down here, the heavy duty ones, and then you can get a waterproof cover and all kinds of stuff for these. And then this is down here's the one Armin had, I believe. There's the same one up there, and if I believe that red one is the one Kelly from AgTech 45 has. And you got your military ones, I believe they call them, down here on like a dolly. The aviation dog boxes, stuff like that. And look at that. The Blue Point service carts or roll carts. And you got the 1, 2, 3, 4 drawer. You got your 5 drawer. Then you got the 5 drawer up there. You got the 2 drawer with a sliding top and the 2 little trays on each side. You got the one with the screwdriver pry bar holder on the right, I believe, the tray to the left. And then you got this one here. Here's just your regular service cart without a drawer. Then you got this one down here that has it. You got your service trays. My good buddy CP, the Tool Addict, has one. I believe it's that or Blue Point. Or these Blue Point. Yeah. Accessories, boxes, and tote trays. Accessory boxes and tote trays. Your wall cabinets. Accessory box and tote trays. Got all them there. Got your tool bags. You got your accessories. So your stainless steel tops. You can look at all these. Non-directional rubber mat tops. You got your steel, your hardwood, your covers. Your drawer guards, drawer fronts, so your decals, stuff like that. Drawer fronts for the KRA. Got all kinds of stuff there. Kind of like that camo one. Then you got all your customization you can do. There's your mats. Then you got all your slotted side panels. Those are nice. It's like pegboard, kinda, but a lot better. And they sell the accessories for those too. Hand tool organization. This is nice for all your larger pry bars, impacts, cans, anything pretty much. See down there on the bottom, those are your screwdriver and pry bar racks. I have a Mac one. And you got all those other ones. There's your bolt covers, your light bars, all your lighting, handlebars, and you got your drawer organization, but I'll get into that later. So there we go. I'll get into the next later.